There are tunes again. Oh. Sound it.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gele tutorial video, so let's get into it. We're gonna be using Sego Gele, so go grab yours and your pins and get ready for this. I folded this Gele, the Sego Gele, I folded it into two, then I folded it up into sections of three. Measurement of 50-50, starting with the back of the Gele. I placed the Gele on my head, came round and crisscrossed it in front, and then I got a pin to secure each side. So I secured the side, then I secured the other side. Once I did that, I opened up the Gele and I started folding it up because we're trying to get the ruffles. So I started roughing up the Gele. The secret to this Gele, the secret to achieving this look is really having lots of pin, taking it in steps and just pinning each step as you go, making sure everything stays secure and tight, because without that everything is going to keep falling around and moving around and you're not going to be comfortable with your Gele. So once that was done, I opened up the Gele and I just ruffled it up bit side by side. So I started from one side and I kept on pinning it. Each step I went, I kept with the pins, and then I did the other side as well. So I'm gonna let you guys keep watching the video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I upload new content. Keep watching the video all the way to the end, as the rest of it is self-explanatory. I was playing around with the Gele, seeing which way I wanted to go, what side I wanted to start from. But if you keep watching, keep a close eye to see how I achieved this look at the end of the video. Keep watching, guys. Thank you.
There are tunes again. Oh. On the beat, and I'm feeling the thing. So baby, do you really wanna get it? Do you really wanna get it? Baby, you should really come and get it. You should really come and get it. The way you're looking, boy, you gon' get it. And if I give you hope, you gon' take it. We go see my mama. I'm a toe bad and a hammer. Make you show me the lumber. Let me give it that stumble. really wanna get it? Do you really wanna get it? Baby, you should really come and get it. You should really come and get it. The way you're looking, boy, you gon' get it. And if I give you hope, you gon' take it.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am